Welcome back to our Lean Revolution saga. Chapter 2. Wastes and how to fight them. Validate your procedures. We have some good ideas here, but the only way to know if they're workable is to try to make them fail. If we fail to fail, then maybe we're on the right track. Orson Scott Card. Rarely do organizations specify requirements for or perform validation of new or revised procedures. Doing so results in perpetual corrections, rework of documents, and waste of resources and time. One of my clients was drowning in the volume of its document change records, otherwise known as DCRs. The documentation group billed the company some $45,000 for overtime during the previous year. To investigate the problem, the company examined its DCRs for the last 3 months. 67% of records indicated that the reason for the change was to correct a mistake. The company revised its documentation change process to add a requirement for validation of the new or revised procedures. 6 months later, the team took another sample of the previous 3 months' DCRs. This time, the team found that only 8% of changes were attributed to correct a mistake. At the same time, the documentation group personnel indicated that changes became notably higher quality. Now I can hear brilliant, awesome, splendid. But do you have a procedure on how to validate a procedure? My answer is yes, I always do. Here is our procedure on how to validate a procedure. Stop writing procedures in your office. Get on the floor and document what you see. Take your draft back to the technician, operator, designer, or whoever will use it. Ask them to follow each step to a T and observe. Document what you see and listen to what the user says. Correct the misses and go through the new revision with another user. Complete the document change checklist and report what you did for the validation. You can get your copy of the document change checklist on our website. Find the links below and enjoy. Lessons learned. Writing procedures is not as intuitive as one may think. Most folks will need training. This concludes our Validate Your Procedures topic. Before you go, click that subscribe button on the right below so you won't miss our next videos. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to purchase a paperback or ebook copy, click the links below. Both are available on Amazon, and you can find the ebook on our website. Until next time.